Day 2, Problem 1. Identify the x-intercept and y-intercept for the graph of 5y equals 2x minus 10. So here is a linear equation, and we're asked to find its x-intercept and its y-intercept. Let's start with the x-intercept. We can find that by substituting a 0 in place of the letter y. So 5 times 0 equals 2x minus 10. 5 times 0 is 0, and that's equal to 2x minus 10. Okay. Now let's solve for x. How about 2 times 5, which is 10, subtract 10 makes 0. So x must be 5. As an ordered pair, that is 5, 0. Now for the y-intercept. We can find this by substituting a 0 in place of x. And so 5y equals 2 times 0 minus 10. 2 times 0 is 0, so this is 5y equals negative 10. And then y must equal negative 2, because 5 times negative 2 is how this could equal negative 10. As an ordered pair, this is 0, negative 2. And then graphing dots for these two ordered pairs will allow us to get our line, which will be part B, the graph of the equation. 5, 0 is on the x-axis, and it is right there. And 0, negative 2 is on the y-axis right here. So with these two dots, we can draw our line. There is the graph of the equation. Now, day 2, problem 2. The height of a plant, h of x, is a function of the time it's been in the ground, x, in weeks. A plant was 10 inches tall when put in the ground, and it grows 3 inches per week. So this is the initial value, and the 3 inches per week is the rate of change. Now in part A, write a function equation for the situation. Well, we're going to begin by using the symbols h of x to represent the height of the plant. And the height of the plant is 10 inches to begin with, the initial value, plus, and now we're going to make use of the rate of change, 3 inches per week, using the variable x to represent the varying amount of weeks. And this is 3x. Here is our function equation. Now in part B, let's use this equation to find heights of a plant after growing 1 week, after growing for 4 weeks, and after growing for 6 weeks. So h of 1 equals 10 plus 3 times 1. That is 10 plus 3, or 13 inches. H of 4 equals 10 plus 3 times 4, which is 10 plus 12, 22 inches. And then h of 6 is 10 plus 3 inches per week for 6 weeks. That's 10 plus 18, 28 inches. So we're using function notation to help us identify that these 3 answers for heights are associated with these 3 numbers used for the number of weeks of growing.